everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making pasta with lentils, which is a typical Italian dish that it's perfect for the winter time. I love it because it's full of flavors and it's also a very complete meal because it's a good source of protein, it has carbohydrate and also fibers, so very ideal. Let's get started. I start by chopping up the vegetables in small cubes. I use the three typical most used vegetables for the base that are celery, 2 stalks, a carrot and an onion. I sauteed them with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 3 minutes. Then I also cut a potato in cubes and I add it in. I love adding the potato because it's a great way to make the lentil soup a little bit creamier. Now I rinse the lentils under cold water to remove any debris. I love this one because they're small and they cook fast. Alright, I throw them in the pot and I stir it up. I suggest pouring in some tomato puree if you like. Some people like to have lentil pasta with no sauce and that's totally fine, so in case, just omit it. I really love the flavor that just a little bit of sauce gives to the dish. I pour in about a liter of water, and if you have it at home, I suggest adding a couple of bay leaves. Cover it with a lid until it boils. I cook the lentils for about 20 minutes, but keep in mind that based on the type of lentils you picked, the cooking time may vary. After 20 minutes, the lentils are still not completely ready, but I added in the salt, the pasta, and about another cup of water. You can add in more water if you want your lentil pasta to have a little bit more broth. Cover with a lid until it boils again and cook the pasta until it's al dente. My pasta took less than 10 minutes to cook, but make sure not to overcook it. I actually suggest to take it off the stove a couple of minutes before the end of its cooking time because it will continue cooking with the heat of the broth. Serve it up with a drizzle of olive oil, black pepper, and parmesan. So delicious. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. And if you like this video, leave it a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. Bye bye!